In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide small balances on Coinbase. If your portfolio looks cluttered with tiny amounts, often called dust, you've got two simple options. Sell those small balances to remove them entirely, or hide them for a cleaner view without changing your holdings. I'll walk you through both, step by step, and explain what each choice means so you can pick what fits your needs. First, selling small balances. This is useful when an asset is worth so little, think a few cents or even less, that it's not meaningful to keep. On Coinbase, you can sell an asset with a very small value for zero proceeds, which permanently removes it from your account. To do this, log into Coinbase on the web or in the mobile app. Head to your portfolio, then scroll to find the asset with the tiny balance you want to clear out. Select Sell, make sure the correct asset is chosen, and complete the process. Once it's done, that asset no longer appears in your holdings. Keep in mind, this is permanent. If you might want to keep a record of that balance, consider the second method instead. Quick note before we continue. If you need Coinbase, I've placed the official download link for the app and the website link right at the top of the description, so you can access the correct pages quickly and safely. Now, if you'd rather keep your small balances but simply want a neater view, you can hide them. Open Coinbase and log in, then go to your portfolio. At the top of your asset list, you'll see a drop-down labeled Show Small Balances. Click it and choose Hide Small Balances. Your portfolio will instantly display only coins with more significant amounts, so you can focus on what matters most. Typically, Coinbase considers small balances to be roughly under $10, though this can vary. Hiding doesn't delete anything. Your assets remain in your account, and you can still access them at any time. If you want to see everything again, just return to the same drop-down and switch back to Show Small Balances. To recap, selling small balances removes those assets completely and is best when you're sure you don't need them anymore. Hiding small balances cleans up your view without affecting your holdings, which is perfect if you just want a simpler portfolio list. Choose the approach that keeps your portfolio organized in a way that works for you. If this helped, don't forget to check those links at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.